Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock the robot dog in Crossy Road. First, you need to play as the Specimen 115 character. This character is crucial for triggering the robot dog's appearance. Focus on playing through the game normally, but keep an eye out for any unusual elements. The key is to be observant and ready for a unique event to occur during your run. While playing as Specimen 115, your goal is to encounter a UFO. This isn't a guaranteed event every run, so persistence is key. The UFO will fly across the screen and abduct your character. This abduction is the trigger for the robot dog. Don't worry if it takes a few tries. Just keep playing as Specimen 115 until it happens. Once the UFO abducts Specimen 115, you'll see a brief animation. Your character will then be transformed into the robot dog. This transformation signifies that you have successfully unlocked the character. You can now select the robot dog from your character roster and enjoy its distinct hopping style and sound effects. It's a fun reward for your efforts. Now that you've unlocked the robot dog, you can enjoy playing with this cool, metallic character. Its distinct look and sounds add a fresh twist to your Crossy Road experience. Keep exploring the game. There are many other secrets and characters waiting to be discovered. Remember to check the description for the Darn Tough Socks link and other great deals. Happy hopping!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.